After a week of hard work, we're excited to bring you a lineup of remarkable heavy-duty machines. Prepare to dive into the fascinating world of these impressive machines, as I'm confident their innovations will leave you awestruck. The Liebherr R964C is a mud excavating machine with an extended arm of about 13 meters to increase the working area. The bucket is specially designed with many holes to remove water and gather mud, while the cabin is elevated at the front to provide better visibility for the operator. Moving on to the SWAT 235, a heavy-duty wood chipper widely used in the wood processing industry. Its robust design allows it to handle various wood types, from pine trees and palms to hardwoods like beech or oak. The machine's powerful grinding system, coupled with a rotating rotor, efficiently grinds materials upon contact with its blades. Let's shift our attention to the CAT 657 scraper, a favorite in the construction industry for its ability to transport hefty materials like soil and rocks. Here, we witness these machines diligently grading roads and leveling surfaces. Designed specifically for collecting and transporting large volumes of material, it boasts a capacity of up to 45 cubic meters. It's equipped with a diesel engine that generates a potent 875 horsepower, enhancing its efficiency and versatility. Right before your eyes stands the formidable Liebherr R9350 excavator. This colossal heavyweight tips the scales at around 345 tons and boasts a diesel engine with a mammoth 2240 horsepower capacity. It can dig down to a maximum depth of 9 meters and achieve a top digging speed of up to 14 cubic meters per hour. Watch how it gracefully wields its immense power with each deliberate movement as you observe. Now let's take a closer look at the Toro 40, a unique vehicle designed to transport goods and military equipment on uneven terrain. Equipped with a 6.87-litre diesel engine and a maximum payload capacity of 10 tons. It features anti-aircraft weapons and an intelligent control system, enhancing the driver's operational effectiveness. Now let's discuss the Ecolage 590D with Tesla 25RH, a forest work masterpiece designed for efficient wood cutting, harvesting, and processing. Thanks to the specialized Tesla 25RH crane, this machine excels in cutting, processing, and transporting wood, optimizing transportation from the harvesting area to the processing site. With its flexibility and effective operation, the Ecolage 590D with Tesla 25RH is a top choice for increasing productivity while reducing production costs. Let's start with the Testmech Trencher 1475, which has made digging channels and pipelines in Turkey much easier. This versatile machine can dig up to 3 meters deep and 0.6 meters wide thanks to its large cutting blade and alternating peach teeth. It also comes equipped with a hydraulic grip system that enhances digging efficiency and maintains stability during operation. As we conclude our exploration, a majestic scene unfolds before us. The Coram Siemens coal mining machine diligently operates at the Garzweiler mine in northwest Germany, near Cologne. While it may appear to move slowly, its productivity is nothing short of astounding, excavating up to 220,000 tons of coal daily. Our journey through heavy machinery continues with the P&H 2800 MKIU, a substantial mining equipment offering from P&H Mining Equipment. This machine relies on coordinated cable control, coupled with the muscle of a 16-cylinder diesel engine, generating an impressive maximum output of 2,500 horsepower. It's capable of excavating up to 200 cubic meters of earth and rock every hour. Shifting to Montreal, Canada, where snow removal is essential during winters with over 2 meters of annual snowfall. Modern machinery, including excavators, cranes, and snowplows, efficiently clear snow from urban areas and main roads, essentially acting as snow harvesters. Behold the Caterpillar 994F, one of Caterpillar's largest excavators with a load capacity of up to 109 tons and an engine output of a staggering 1,100 horsepower. Its two front wheels are fortified with wheel loader chain guards, significantly enhancing its durability and enabling uninterrupted operation for extended periods. Lastly, we introduce the Komatsu D 475A bulldozer, celebrated for its formidable and adaptable performance. Boasting a hefty 1,340 horsepower engine, it comes equipped with various attachments such as a dozer blade, gripper shovel, earth auger, and rock breaker. Thanks to its robust tracks, it can move at a maximum speed of up to 11 kilometers per hour, saving time and boosting productivity. We've presented you with a selection of remarkable heavy machines. What are your thoughts after watching these videos? If you'd like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming machine showcases.